Alright, so what is wrong with this car is this. See, not working. See, let me start it so you can see what is actually going on. See, not working. Yeah, the airbag too. Can you see the airbag blinking? Can you see? So that's another fault. All these are not working, so everything here is not working, and apparently the airbag too is faulty, so which can result to one thing: there's no power in here, so power is not coming in here, but we can't conclude that yet, so we need to diagnose it on launch, which is really working well for me. I'm going to vehicle identification number scan, so it's trying to dictate the vehicle ID number, but if it doesn't, you can input this manually. You say it couldn't find it, so your last MOT, bring in my MOT certificate. Can you see it? So it should be there. Not EV. Yeah, so it's scanning now, trying to check what is wrong with the car. I'm sure there are other things, but I just want to know what is wrong with this one. Whoa, so I can see ABS. I know that ABS issue has always been there. What I will do is I will save this or send it to my email, so I can send it to my email. Circuit signal, engine signal, this is definitely power issue. So I usually use ChatGPT to dictate what is wrong with the system or what is wrong with the car. So I will send this document to my email now. So taking it to the ChatGPT to elaborate and tell you precisely what is going on. So here it is saying that it is a damaged clock spring, spiral cable inside the steering column, a loose or damaged connector under the steering wheel, faulty wiring, less commonly a faulty driver airbag. Power is not coming into the steering, so this is the bad boy. This is the bad boy. This is it. I hope it fits. I hope it matches with what you need. Alright, so this is it there for now, and let's see how we can get this out. Alright, before we get this out, because we're dealing with airbag, I feel we should disconnect the battery. So 11 or 10, it's going to work. It's 10. Yeah, that's 10. So the next thing now is to get this baby boy out. Now we've disconnected the battery, so this will not blow on our face. So how do we get that out? So there is an hole here, and there is another hole here. So we find a flat. This one, you have to be careful so it doesn't blow on your face. You know what I'll first do? I'll roll this like that, and then that's the hole. That's the hole right there. Oh, done. It's already removed. So just gently, because this is the bag. That's it. Gently. So, oh my god. This, I'll press this. You can see it's just to take this off and for this, I'm going to press this so it's out, and then this this one, this side, press it in. That's it. It's out. That's it. See, this is the stuff I did the other time. See this one, that one, I was having a hard time getting it out. This one and this one, they were inside this one and this place. So if where is it? If I put this in here, it comes out like that, and push it out. See, it pushes this out like that, you know. So it helps when you're trying to get that. Just try to pull this out inward to yourself, so it is easier. So gently. That's like an explosive. All right, so this one, what size is that? 17. It's 17. So let's see. Lock the steering first. Yeah, that's it. It's locked. So let's try. That's it. Wasn't that hard. All right. So what I do is, usually when I'm loosening things up like this, I'm always being careful to know where to put them back. You want to know how to put them back. So I'll put this here. I can see this is the way. The best way I'll do it is just take a picture of the position. I'm not sure what I'm doing, so I need to be careful. Just in case I need to take it back, I'll reduce the exposure. So that's how it is. So I'll take that out. See, take that out, put that there. So this one, I would like to take this picture as well to see. I think this was here like that. So I know the direction. I think I need to take this out. There's holes here, and I'm sure I'm always putting an hole and my hand inside the place here, so I'm not sure. Oh, here. So that's the one forward, the one in front. So next thing now is take this out. Okay, maybe I need this. Yeah, good. That one there, and this one here. Take this out. Oh, there's a clip here. Oh, I'll put it here just in case, and I'll put that one out. Oh, that one is attached. There's no point. Oh my god. See, there is a spring here that I will just press down from the back here, and it will come out. You can see that should come out. And I've got some stuff here, so wow. Okay, I hope you can see that. There is a bit of a difference. Oh, I see. See, there is a bolt here. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt here. It's this one. I need to open that. So I guess maybe there's some type that will come completely, but because of what I bought, it might not come completely. So yeah. That goes there. Yeah. Doesn't fit well, but I'm going to manage. I'll manage. Yeah, coming up. Yeah. And oh my god, cut it out. That's that. And goes like that. Yeah. That one goes, and this one too. Please go. That's it. Yeah. Oh, I'm scared. I think I need to put this one very well. Tighten it. That's it. So that goes back. Yeah, and this and that. Oh, not that. Let's go back, guys. Okay. Yeah, it's hard now. All right. Next thing on the agenda, that goes back. Yeah. What? And this one. Good. We'll cover that one. Good. Oh my god, I'm supposed to take this out. Open that too. And this one. Oh my god. Okay. That's it. So what's the next thing? Yeah, couple this back. So that one goes back there. Think so. But let me check the video again. This was around here, and this was around here, was out like this. So I need to align. Don't forget, see, I can see this thing, this line here has to align with this one here. See, this one and that one, they have to go together. So I need to make sure this, then I will realign this. So it is made such a way that you can't make mistake. It is well done. Oh my god, no, this comes. So this now goes there. I hope I'm not leaving anything behind. Take that back. And, that's it. I think so. It's alright. So now we have to bring this back. That one, this is direct. This one, this goes like this. Yeah, that's direct. You can see, goes like that, and you press this in to lock it, to key that. Yeah, and this one, this one goes back there like that. like that one goes like that, and this one goes back like that. Well, let me to support that, goes back to that place. So this goes in there like that, and that one goes like that. And just be careful, take your face out, yeah, press that and press that one. Come on, that's it. And this one, that's it. All right, so I haven't left anything behind. So one thing I want you to do is go back and connect the battery back. Put that in. I don't want you to, don't stand in front of this because you don't know what could happen. Works. Start working. Works. That thing is still flashing. The bag is still flashing, but let's press this. Worked. The on is working now, but is this okay like this? Yeah, it's all right, it's okay. So see, that works, but that is still flashing. Maybe we have to clear the code, take off the gear. Now let's start this. I hope this doesn't come. Good. The airbag light is still flashing. Yeah, working. So I'm going to try and clear the code. So this is ready to be used again. Also, the ABS light is not showing again. After clearing the code, I'll reverse and move forward again and see if the ABS light is going to show again. It was showing before, but it's gone now. So we'll see if replacing that stuff had really fixed everything. Normal, supplements normal, so it's become normal now, and you can see it's gone now. So if we set the code, so that is gone. The ABS error is gone, so we are good. Just unplug this, put us back down. Just move the car forward and backward. So let's see what we've got. All right, usually the moment I move the car, the ABS will come up, but it doesn't. It's not coming up now. Yep, all done now. Thank you guys. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you like this video, subscribe and comment and share with people who you think would gain one or two things from it. Thank you.